Estate Tax Exemption Sunset 2026. The upcoming sunset of the estate tax exemptions under the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act (TCJA) in 2026 is a crucial development for estate planning. By 2026, the current federal estate tax exemptions will revert to their pre-2018 levels, adjusted for inflation. This shift means that many individuals, particularly in Atlanta, may need to reevaluate their estate plans to mitigate exposure to higher federal estate taxes. The substantial reduction in the exemption threshold means less wealth can be passed to heirs without facing federal taxes. It's a pivotal moment to plan proactively. Legal implications of the estate tax sunset in 2017. The TCJA significantly increased the federal estate tax exemption to $11.18 million per individual, allowing for up to $22.36 million for married couples, assuming proper legal planning. This provided substantial relief for high net worth individuals, reducing the number of estates subject to federal taxes. However, this provision is temporary. In 2026, unless new legislation is enacted, the exemption will revert to pre-2018 levels. This means that more estates could be subject to federal estate taxes, leading to a greater need for updated estate planning strategies. For Georgia residents, the state does not impose its own estate tax, meaning any changes at the federal level could have a profound effect. With more estates potentially falling under the federal estate tax umbrella, it is essential to engage with legal professionals to ensure that your estate plan is adjusted to accommodate the new tax thresholds. What will happen after the TCJA sunsets? When the TCJA sunsets in 2026, the federal estate tax exemption will decrease from its current high, likely exposing more estates to taxation. To protect your assets from increased federal estate taxes, early planning is critical. Atlanta residents may want to explore options like gifting strategies, establishing trusts, and revisiting their current estate documents to safeguard their wealth. These strategies may include the creation of irrevocable trusts, which can help separate assets from the taxable estate, or making use of the lifetime gift tax exemption. These steps will help reduce the taxable value of your estate, ensuring that more of your assets pass to your heirs rather than being diminished by taxes. How does the federal estate tax exemption work? The federal estate tax exemption allows individuals to pass a set amount of their estate to heirs tax-free. Before the TCJA, the exemption was $5.49 million per individual. After the act was passed in 2017, this amount nearly doubled. However, the TCJA is temporary, and by 2026, the exemption will revert to pre-2018 levels. This could expose more estates to taxation, which is why planning in advance is so crucial. By understanding how the exemption functions and its scheduled changes, individuals can better prepare to minimize tax liabilities. One approach could be to revise wills, create or restructure trusts, and possibly explore options like charitable donations to reduce the taxable estate. Planning ahead for 2026 to mitigate the impact of the upcoming changes in estate tax law, consider several proactive strategies. Gifting is a commonly used method where individuals reduce the size of their estate by transferring assets to heirs during their lifetime. Another strategy involves the use of various types of trusts to manage and control how your estate is distributed. Trusts such as grantor retained annuity trusts, GRATs, and irrevocable life insurance trusts, ILITs, can reduce tax exposure while ensuring that heirs benefit from the estate. With the 2026 sunset provision quickly approaching, it's essential to stay informed about federal tax changes and how they could affect your estate planning strategy. Working with an experienced lawyer will ensure that your estate plan aligns with the latest tax laws, preserving the maximum amount of wealth for your heirs. To protect your estate from higher tax liabilities, consult with an attorney to assess your current plan and consider adjustments. This will help minimize exposure to federal estate taxes and provide long-term benefits for your family. For guidance on adapting your estate plan to the 2026 tax changes, contact Trace Brooks Law today at 404-492-9559 and visit our office at 1275 Peachtree Street, Nebraska number 525, Atlanta, Georgia 30309, United States. Our attorneys are well equipped to help you navigate these complex legal shifts, ensuring your estate remains protected.